Hypernatural is an AI-powered generative video platform that transforms any idea, text, or existing content into engaging, ready-to-publish videos. In just a few clicks, you can produce videos with realistic character voices, captions, and dynamic animated visuals. Hypernatural offers dozens of AI narrators powered by real voice actors and with visual style templates ranging from photographic to Disney-inspired or even Wes Anderson-like. Your creative options are virtually limitless. And with custom prompts, you have complete creative control to create any visual style you can imagine. Hypernatural is perfect for screenwriters, content creators, authors, and marketers looking to produce professional quality videos quickly and easily. It's ideal for educational content, trailers, ads, short stories, and even things like animated birthday cards. Personally, I find it particularly helpful for creating pitch materials and marketing content. For example, a screenwriter or novelist could use it to storyboard new ideas or create a trailer to promote their work and drive sales. Hypernatural makes creating videos simple and enjoyable. It's free to join and available both online and as an app for Android and iOS, making it one of the most accessible and powerful tools for any content creator.